सर क्या बोल रहे हैं? अच्छा दोनों सर दीपाली
सर क्रिएटिविटी में मैं जीरो था इसलिए तुमने एक्सपीरियंस की उसमें कुछ नहीं लिखा
और Boscotech इन मोरी कोई
डोंट फॉरगेट अबाउट जैन बंद्रा ए मिला
लेकिन मेरा मम्मी बहुत खुश होगा, लेकिन ये क्या है वो तो देख पता चलेगा।
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय वीडियो। तो आज हम लोग का 4th बेस का फेयरवेल प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, तो चल के देखते हैं उस असेंबली हॉल में कैसा चल रहा है प्रोग्राम।
2023. We have been here in this institution for more than 3 months. But as we know, there are also those who have been here for 6 months, 9 months, and even a year.
Thanks to the honorable work of Boscotech for taking the challenge of trainers. To get started with our program, may I now take the privilege to invite our beloved and honorable director, Brother Reggie Joseph Carigonal, SPB, to step on the stage for the words of introduction.
Of completing their courses. That's a joyous event for this institution. That's also a kind of achievement and a milestone that the students have accomplished. Since there was a meeting, I could not attend that. Another thing that Shamil sir has taken upon himself is the inter-agency alliance. That means all the NGOs, those who work towards this kind of disasters, programs, upliftment of the society, bring them together and go with a common motive, common program, common initiative, common target. This is the brainchild of Shamil sir. A round of applause. Thank you. Dear students, those who are going to be certified today, some of you are certified as being completing the first module. Some of you are completing the second module. There is no tree which is tall enough that you cannot climb, provided you get the skill, you get the assistance. Boscotech is here, non-Bosco organization is here to give you that assistance, and I'm sure that we will stand by you, to strive by you to climb the heights of glory, heights of economical stability. Thank you.
Jai according to your names. Zahid Ahmed. Kanika Pamla. Parkhadha Posnen. Parkhadha Posnen.
As we know that 6 candidates from this batch and from previous batch, they have applied for self-employment. I would like to call one by one. Miss Pinti Das. I would like Sir Samin to hand over the machine. Please give a round of applause. Supriya Tandi. Miss Parmeshwari Puri to hand over the machine. Sanjana Ulam. Give a big round of applause. Nikita Panika, the machine. Give a big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you, brother.
Good afternoon to all of you. I really thanks Director Rezi for inviting me in today's valedictory session of the textbook of BMT training. And I feel I am the member of the family of Boscotech because I have associated with many occasions with Boscotech. And today I am also feeling I am one of the family member of yours institute. And I am here to say a few words to the trainees, those who have completed 3 months or 6 months or 9 months, I think module 1, 2, 3, and you are going to start your new life either in the placement that you have got in new organizations or you are going to start your own business. So it's very nice and I must congratulate to all of you that you have successfully completed and you are going to receive your certificate of completion and you are going to start your new life. Though it's a farewell, I think it's not a farewell for your life. It's a new journey of your life that you are going to start either from tomorrow or in a few days, within a few days.
They want to go now.
Photo? Huh? ये ऑफिशियल फोटोग्राफर है हम लोग।
फोटो उठता बोले आयो चाहिए
चाय न चाय दी कौन चाय कौन?
अभी खाया है
हैं?
अभी खाया है ना घोर से देख रहा है लड्डू भी खाया हाफ नहीं सब नहीं हाफ इंसानियत अभी तक बचा है
You going to there?
Yes.
Why?
ये देखो मुझे मिला
ए कलाबो ए प्लस मिला
पता नहीं ये कहाँ पे
ए
लगाएगा
बी
लेकिन
मिला ओ के फुलुंग
मैं ये लेके मम्मी के पास जाएगा
ए मिला
लेकिन मेरा मम्मी बहुत खुश होगा लेकिन ये क्या है वो तो देख पता चलेगा लेकिन पता नहीं मम्मी इसे क्या करेगा
Sir, Piro. Ay di yaran, di na yaran.
नहीं लगा जाते हैं उसके
Di yaran, di na yaran.
पंगा बनाएगी पच्चीस हालो
मेरा फोटो दे देना सर प्लीज।
क्या फोटो
मेरा फोटो जो अभी क्लिक किया अभी और भी क्लिक करेगा सब
और भी अभी जो क्लिक किया और भी जो करेगा
और
हाँ तो
जो,
हमारा
जो और क्या
और क्या
और जो हाँ सबको लिंक भेजूंगी सब्सक्राइब करेगा आपका चैनल।
इतना झूठ बोल रहे थे
क्या इतना सारा सब्सक्राइब करवाया
क्या अभी
वन फोटो ब्रदर
बोलो बोलो बोलो
Photo. Only your boyfriend also they should subscribe.
वो अच्छा नहीं होगा
ब्रदर प्लीज विथ मी।
No, brother, you cannot move from here now. Once started means you cannot move from here.
My experience here has been a roller coaster ride actually. It has been an uneven rolling stone because I have had smooth experiences as well as challenging experiences here. Challenging in a good way because this helped me to upskill myself and understand the job sector, how I would work. Stop laughing. How I would work, how I'm going to present myself, and apart from the skills that I learned in my course, that is social media executive, I also had basic courses on Photoshop, then Microsoft Word, and then Microsoft Excel. So I think that I am pretty much confident right now. I'm confident enough to pose myself as an eligible candidate in the job sector. Thank you, sir.
सुमित
सर हमसे ना हो पाएगा।
अरे कुछ तो बोलो
नो सर
कुछ बोलो अभी सिर्फ तेरा बाकी है सबका ले लो
सर मैं क्या बोलूँ क्या बोलूँ हिंदी क्या दे लेना अरे तो मैं बोलूँ क्या
इधर के बारे में सब पेड़ पौधे बोलते हैं सब कुछ बोलते हैं।
क्रिएटिविटी में मैं जीरो था इसलिए तो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस की उसमें कुछ नहीं लिखा
ये दे
भैया का ले लो भैया सर ये मेरा मेंटर है इसको भी ले लो
Sir, first of all, I want to say sorry to you. I am the one who irritated you in whole class, asking frequently question what to do, how to do. Even a simple step also I always ask you to. So I sorry from my bottom of my heart. And the experience in Boscotech is very nice. That's it. Thank you. Oh, sir. Jain Bandra jo upload to go. Don't forget about Jain Bandra. We all have in last day we all celebrate together eating chicken Jain. Sir, thank you.
मोबाइल रील शेयर
नहीं सर बाद में नहीं देते
कौन नहीं देता बोल दो
तुम्हें उठा दो तुम्हारा मोबाइल दे
बाद में नहीं देता बोलो मोबाइल फोटो नहीं
रेडी